75 million. Huh? 75 million. Are you landing Nigeria?
Yes, I am. What's the problem?
Thank God.
Okay, what's the problem?
Can you come down, please?
What's the problem, sir?
Just can you come down?
Okay, I'm coming. Okay.
I've been looking for you so many times.
Okay.
Get one person where I see we sell land for me.
Okay.
That person sell land for me at the price of 75 million.
Oh, really? Where the land is?
The land did that side. I don't know if you follow me, make we go so that I'll show you the land.
No.
Okay. This is the land that they show me that I buy for.
This one.
No, not this one. This, should I call it ocean? Or
Okay, you buy all the ocean.
I buy this place. I just buy this place at the price of 75 million.
How you take no say now yet?
I use my Google map. So, this is not the address of the place. I use my map.
Where the person will sell this land?
He run out because when I call him, he says it's not around.
Okay.
So he gave me a map that I should come to this. So I come and then I'm seeing all this. So how am I going to do with this? How are we going to do, Madam,
how are you going to do?
How can you help me? As in, how can we do?
Okay,
As in, this, I cannot waste my money.
You can, yes, you cannot waste your money actually. So you see these boats now with the this one here.
Okay.
This red boat.
Okay.
You go fix the boats now. So when you fix them,
yes.
you go feel they come out from the water, they come down.
God,
you don't feel waste your money. Now.
But Mama, why are you saying all these things now? You're
okay, you carry your money, go buy. See land, in our land.
Yes.
You go buy ocean, and you say what you want to do.
I don't know what.
Where did you meet this person?
It's one of my friends. I talked to him that I want to buy a land. So, and then he tell me, he just connected me with one. He say he know the guy, and I don't even. So I talked to him. The guy said there is land for sale. He said the land is 75 million. So I just.
Oga, even inside these estates that we are standing, you cannot get a land for 75 million naira here. This is a fully developed estate. Buy from real estate consultants, now no go buy. Buy from developer, you no go one pay development fee. Now they don't carry ocean sell for you. You go repair the boats so that you go feed when you repair the boats, you can't either live inside and they come outside. So
I should stay inside this one.
Oga,
do it.
Oga, you don't learn your lesson. Next time, land in Nigeria now, you find me come, Abi. Are they verified? I don't sell properties for people since I start this business. And they sell genuine land. All the people why they sell for now, developers, they go build estates for you. Anytime you come, even if now 5 years later, 10 years later, me personally, I go carry you, go show you your land. Now you don't go buy ocean, you don't define land in Nigeria. Oga, go find where you repair that boat because I think it will be better for you than making waste 75 million. Begin enter your water, Oga. Enter your water. Go find your land.
75 million. 75 million. 75 million.